Hey, what's going on guys? Alex at HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be talking about our Havoc Sissy bar backrest. This is going to run on your 2018 to current Breakout and Fat Boy models. They're going to be offered in chrome and black, and they're going to come with all the docking hardware that you need. So today in the shop, we're going to go ahead and throw this chrome one on our 21 Fat Boy. Some tools you'll need is a T45 Torx bit and a 7/32 Allen. So let's go ahead and get into the install now. All right guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your OEM fender screws here. This is going to be with a T45 Torx bit. Go ahead and just replace the docks one at a time. There's a backing plate behind here that has the nuts on it. So if you remove both of them, you run the risk of pushing the mounting bracket on the inside through the fender. Just keep that in mind. Your front docking is going to look like this. It's going to have a groove in it, a small space, and then a big space. You want the big space facing towards the inside of the motorcycle. So with your 7/32 Allen, you go ahead and install this. Alright, and so for the rear, same thing, T45 Torx, and remove this screw here. And then your rear dock is going to look like this. It's going to have the metal edges, metal on the outsides here. This can go either way, like this or that. So go ahead and take your washer screw in there, 7/32 Allen again, and install it. All right, we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. All right, go ahead and remove the rear. And install the rear dock. All right, so now you're ready to go ahead and take your sissy bar and pop it on. Line up the groove in the mounting bracket on the side with the groove in the docking hardware here. All right, everything's lined up. We can go ahead and flip our latches.